Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Live. I'm at Coral Bay Strip today, though I'm not going to be reporting on that. Instead, I'm having a look at the Cali Resort and Spa, which used to be the Crown Resort of Horizon, but is now being renovated and will be reopening in May this year as a 5-star luxury hotel in the heart of Coral Bay. And I've seen the artist's impressions of the inside. I posted them last year and it does look lovely. So we're going to have a brief update because people have been asking how progress is coming along. And I've already flown my drone, so while I'm walking up this little bit here, which isn't that interesting, I'll show you the drone footage and I'll touch base in a minute. We're just coming up to part of the wall where I can actually see over, so the film will make a bit more interest. Nice big crane there pumping cement into something. Even if I wanted to wander through there, I'd soon get called out by security, so I'm not going to attempt that. I'll go over to the other side of the road though, because then we'll get a better view. There's the hills of Paphos in the distance. You will no doubt be painting the exterior, but you don't do that till the end really. There's a fair amount of people in there beavering away. All those rooms will be stripped, no doubt, or have been stripped already, and refitted. And the spa looks absolutely gorgeous. .615 bus is diverted down this way in case you hadn't worked that out for yourself. So there you have it. Work is definitely continuing apace. I think I'll leave you with a bit of footage of the hotel and of Coral Bay itself so you can see how pretty the beach is. All right, well, thanks for watching. Cheers.